Hello everyone, welcome to a brief overview of Multisoft Systems OrcaFlex Training course. Multisoft Systems, with over 21 years of experience, offers 1,500 plus courses, partners with 10K plus experts, serves 2,000 plus corporates, has trained 1 million plus individuals, and earning a 4.5-star rating. Here we share the overview, benefits, and facts. OrcaFlex is a leading software widely recognized for its comprehensive capabilities in the simulation and analysis of marine systems, particularly those involving dynamic cable, riser, and mooring system behaviors. Its training programs offer a deep dive into mastering the tool's functionalities, enabling engineers and designers to accurately model complex marine structures and predict their performance under various environmental conditions. The benefits of OrcaFlex training are multifaceted, encompassing enhanced accuracy in design and analysis, improved safety margins through better understanding of structural limits, and the ability to innovate in the design of marine structures thanks to the software's extensive simulation capabilities. Research underscores the importance of such training, with studies indicating that participants can significantly reduce project risks and costs by applying OrcaFlex's predictive analysis early in the design process. Prerequisites. There are no specific prerequisites for the OrcaFlex training. It is open to all interested in marine systems. Learn about dynamic simulations and marine structure analysis. What will you learn? During the course you will learn fundamentals of marine system dynamics, how to model and simulate cables, risers, and moorings, analyzing environmental impacts on marine structures, optimization techniques for marine design, application of OrcaFlex tools in real-world scenarios, best practices in marine engineering and design, advanced simulation features for complex analyses. By the end of the course, you will gain deep knowledge about OrcaFlex and how to implement it in real-time projects. Our OrcaFlex subject matter experts have profound understanding of OrcaFlex, rich practical experience on real-world applications, extensive hands-on knowledge in the area of data analytics domain, in-depth industry experience and expertise, delivered multiple training sessions to various clients. Furthermore, the ability to simulate a wide range of scenarios helps in the optimization of designs for durability and reliability, ultimately leading to safer and more efficient marine operations. This makes OrcaFlex training invaluable for professionals in the maritime industry looking to stay at the forefront of technological advancements and best practices. Course assessment. In addition to our comprehensive training, we offer a complimentary assessment designed to evaluate course comprehension. This assessment employs a variety of methods including multiple-choice questions, short answer responses, and tests focused on problem-solving abilities. These diverse approaches ensure a thorough understanding of the course material and providing a well-rounded evaluation of participants' knowledge and application skills. Thank you for watching our video. We eagerly anticipate welcoming you to Multisoft's OrcaFlex training, where you will master marine system simulations, elevating your skills in dynamic analysis and innovative marine structure design.